arrival time is currently 5:37 p.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. That'll be the only indication that it is safe to get up and gather your personal belongings. You can continue to use and charge your phones and tablets, but if you're seated in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets at this time. Don't forget to check your seat back pockets and the area around your seat to make sure that you have all of your belongings. And be careful when opening overhead bin compartments as items may have shifted. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. We will be arriving at gate A16, that's Alpha 16. If you're collecting luggage here in St. Louis, it'll be carousel number 6. Once again, that's carousel number 6 if you're collecting luggage. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey asking you about your experience via email or in the United app. We'd love to know how you've enjoyed your flight with your crew today. On behalf of our entire United team and Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us. We hope you've enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the doors to allow flight attendants to complete important safety duties. And to my 1K and Global Service members on board today, thank you for choosing United consistently. You are a big reason why we fly, and we hope to see you again soon. And just like all of our customers here today,